Hi Kisses and welcome back to Nina on Reddit Eats. Today I am at Whip X Carrot and Daikon, and this is Vietnamese cuisine. It is my very first time trying their curry soup, their sandwich. I believe it has pork belly, cucumber, carrots, egg. Looks really good. This is a tiramisu coffee. It's one of their #1 sellers other than the creme brulee. Here I have the Ube Cloud Coconut Water, the tiramisu coffee, and I have curry soup. I love their drink menu. The drinks here are so pretty. And I'm going to be enjoying this amazing sandwich, which is not particularly on this menu, but that's okay. The last time I came here, I had the Panda Cloud Coconut Water. That was so good, and it's very pretty. And then I also had the creme brulee. So yeah, I'm a little spoiled. Today I'm trying something completely new. First thing I'm gonna do is try this soup. This is curry soup. Cannot wait. My very first impression of quick prayer, y'all. Are you guys ready? We're going in. Ooh, it has nice onions, cilantro. I believe this is potato if I'm not mistaken. And it's hot. Let's try it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That hit right the back of my throat. Hold on. It's sweet. You guys know that I love curry. I'm a fan of curry. Ooh, let's try the meat. See if it's nice and tender. This is actually extremely delicious. That beef is so tender. This is really good. It's a little sweet. Does this have coconut in it by any chance? It has coconut in it, right? Oh, it's amazing. Coconut curry, soup, potatoes, beef. I believe it has cilantro, some onions. It's nice and thick and rich. I really want to try these onions though. You guys know I love onions. I love curry. Let's try this. Oh, wow. That is an excellent touch to that. I'm loving it. New cuisines, new taste. Like I said, this is gonna be my first time trying a Vietnamese sandwich. I didn't even know that there were sub sandwiches in Vietnam. Now I know. Wow, this is real. Okay, I gotta taste the rest because if not, I'm gonna finish this soup right here. This is really good. Oh my goodness. If you're looking for something savory, warm, with the nice thickness, nice richness, and a little bit of sweetness, I highly recommend this soup. Okay, one more bite, one more bite. Okay, and then I'm on to the next one, I promise. This is a yes for me. Absolutely. But let me go ahead and try this one. I am absolutely enjoying the culture food. Oh, this one has carrots, onions, some cilantro, beef chunks. Okay. I'm gonna try one of these carrots. Let's see how tender, and let's taste the broth first, right? Let's go with the broth, guys. Oh my goodness. What is this? How did they do this? This is so good. What am I tasting? It's also a little bit on the sweet side, which is, and very savory. It's sweet, salty, savory, all at the same time. A nice thickness to the broth. Nice and deep and rich. I like that. This must have taken a few hours to cook, I'm assuming, because you get that thickness and that richness from slow cooking. That is so nice. The carrot is firm but super soft at the same time. I know. Don't ask me how they did it, but they did it. Let's taste some of these onions. Let me taste this beef in here first. See if it's just as tender as the curry. Oh my goodness. That is so wonderful. Oh my gosh. This tastes so good. Who would have ever known? This is why I love tasting new cuisines, going to new places that I've never been to before, and just going for it. If you love onion, whatever you don't like, I'm sure they'll take it out for you, but you can tell that the onions are nice and freshly cut. You guys know I love onions. I love onions, I love garlic, I love cilantro. It's like this soup was made just for me. It was made with love. Who is the chef? I need them in my life. Well, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Good food. That's delicious. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay. But now we're going to try. This is right here. When I tell you that I didn't even know, I had no idea that they even had sandwiches. This has egg, carrot, pork belly. What is this over here? It has several cuts of meat, actually. Cilantro. Is this radish? Let's see. I believe it's pickled radish. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's like a breakfast lunch sandwich, and it's, I believe it's 12 inches. This is huge. Look at the meat portions in that. That's a good bargain. First impression, are you guys ready? This is so good. Oh my goodness. Fresh crunchiness. Meat is tender. The egg makes it creamy. The cucumber makes it fresh, and oh, this is good. Yep. That's how you do it. Come on, Vietnam. Ooh, baby. This is why you have to get out of your comfort zone. You got to try new foods, man. I know everybody in America loves Subway, but I'm telling you, you guys got to come to WhipX because they are whipping their butt. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whatever sauce they have in here, it's sweet and salty at the same time. And they give you plenty of meat. If you are a meat lover, I say go for it. And I like the fact that they incorporated those fresh vegetables like that cucumber, makes it crispy. It gives it that light feel. The carrot, the radish. Amazing. Amazing. I have never, ever traveled abroad to the side of Asia. One of the places that I really do want to visit, due to their culinary skills, is Vietnam. I want to visit all of Asia. You guys know I'm already obsessed with the entire culture. Let's try this. This is my first time trying this one. Can't wait. Oh my goodness. How are they making this? Oh my God. That coconut water. There's nothing more refreshing than coconut water, I tell you. Oh, let me give that a shake. That is delicious. Wow. That's an Ube Cloud that they poured over pink coconut water. Skills. Who would have ever thought about that, right? Let's take some coconut water, put some Ube Cloud on top of it. That's gonna be our signature drink. That is so good. I'm trying to dip back into these, to be honest. Whip X is like a, let me explain to you when you come in here. Whip X is like a boutique for drinks and sandwiches and soups. Super cute, super clean. All the chairs are like rustic, wooden, chopped up. It's a nice touch. The entire inside is all white. Boutique, small. They do have a bathroom and everything in there. Plenty of parking. Great area. You're not gonna have a problem finding parking at all. And they have really good hours too. They open up pretty early. Oh yeah. That egg is a game changer. That's how you do it. I'm so excited to be trying new places. Don't be afraid to try a new place. I'm telling you, if you're in the Las Vegas area, I'm going to put all of the information in the description box. Yelp, address, phone number, hours of operation. You don't have to wonder. Just go straight into the description box. You'll be able to find them. If I'm going to make it super easy, just hit the Yelp link. Follow the instructions, the directions, come straight to this place. Wow. I think they cooked this beef. It must have been at least, I don't know, it had to have been hours. Because you don't get that kind of tenderness from the beef if it's not cooked for hours. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh no, feel free, this is great. This is amazing. Oh, I stole the menu. This is that good stuff. I'm going back to this curry, y'all. That potato has absorbed all of that soup flavor. Amazing. That's one of those soups like if you're ever feeling cold or sad or even got a little bit of cramps, that's where you go. Right there. That's where you go. I do want to try this tiramisu though. Let's go ahead and, ooh, isn't that beautiful? Before I try this, I'm gonna try this. Oh my God, that's like candy. Oh my God. I'm gonna stir that. I think I dropped my straw, but that's okay. I'm gonna still give it a stir. This tiramisu is so delicious. And it's cold as well. You know what always trips me out is how the food tastes the way it said it's going to taste. Like it's not tiramisu cake, it's a tiramisu drink and it tastes just like that. You gotta kind of wonder how they did that. This looks so pretty. Oh my God. Look at that. What is your, if you've ever been to a Vietnamese boutique that does sandwiches and drinks, what is your favorite go-to drink? I'm so in awe of this place because I never even knew it existed. So to me, it's like, yeah, we could do this. I can see why she said that this is one of her favorites. It has that. Okay, so let me explain to you the taste of it. It's a dark, smoky coffee, chocolate, vanilla dance. It's like a perfect marriage. You know what I'm saying? It's like chocolate married coffee. And they had a vanilla baby, and now here we are at Whip X, whipping it up. That is, if you need a pick me up, baby, if you need something to pick you up in the morning, there it is right there. Mm. I love this sandwich. Mm. Also, all of the soups come with a 12-inch foot-long roll. You get a whole roll. And you take the bread and you dip it in the sauce and you eat it. So that's usually how they serve it here. I thought it was gonna be a little bit too much bread for me, so I was like, let me not overdo it, right? Mm. Mm. I'm loving it. I wonder if the bread is baked here because it's so soft and crispy on the outside. Look how soft that bread is, right? Oh, here's a good idea. Dig out the inside of the bread and stuff it with the onions, the cilantro, and the beef. And then, oh, that would be a good idea. A soup sandwich. Dig this out, put the soup in there. It's gonna get messy, but it'll be worth it. You know what I noticed about the drinks? They're really fun to play with. So most of the drinks come in layers of colors and you're supposed to shake them. Oh yeah, this is good. They're all good. It's like, how do you choose? But there's so many different choices. If you have kids, this would be a fun place to go. You know, if they like to play with their food and stuff, they like colors. Mm. Mm. Make sure I get that egg in there. Ooh, let me dip my cookie back in there. Mm. I'm gonna take my half a sandwich, wrap that up to go. I do have my little lids here. Oh no, I dropped one. Because I am taking my soups to go for sure. And it comes with the bread. But I really want to get, that's the piece I was trying to get right here. I think that's that pork belly. Oh yeah. Very good stuff. Mm. Oh. Let's do it. Mm. That was the bite right there. I got a little bit of the yolk of that egg over that pork belly. Loving it. I have like, my time in Las Vegas has been very well invested. I've gotten to meet a lot of amazing new people. I've got to sample really amazing new cuisines and cultures and flavors. Um, so if you want to get to know the world and you want to see the world all in one place, Vegas is a good place to come to. So if you're visiting, I suggest that you leave the strip and come to the restaurants that are maybe 10, 15 minutes away from the strip, because you're going to save a lot of money. The strip can be very, very expensive when you're traveling. So places like Whip X, Carrot and Daikon, great drinks, great atmosphere, plenty of parking, cleanliness place, good customer service, and you don't have to pay these crazy prices that you would on the actual Las Vegas Strip. So if you're visiting and you're coming to Las Vegas, look at all of the different restaurants, look at all the different addresses, locations, services, and if you're feeling for Vietnamese food, sandwiches, soups, drinks, this is the place to come to. This is a go-to for me. I was here about maybe 4 or 5 days ago, and I was like, I have to come back. I have to. Because I told him, I was like, I really want to try your sandwiches. I just didn't think they were so big. Like, they're huge. So if you're looking for a huge sandwich that's going to fill you up and you want to get good pricing and good food, Whip X, Daikon and Carrot, trust me. Or Carrot and Daikon. Oh, yeah. This place is a yes for me. I'm taking these to go, wrapping this up. Hopefully they can wrap it up for me. I love it. Really good food. Good food, good customer service, good ambiance. You guys stay positive, stay strong, try something new, step out of your comfort zone, get out there, try new restaurants. Come to Las Vegas. Like I told you, I'm gonna find you the best places, the best food, and the best deals. Check out the description box. Give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, stay positive and stay strong and keep your head up. You have a good life to live, so go ahead and live it. Until next time, bye guys.